Okay, this is practice help for the serpent, arranged by Richard Bradley in the Bradley's Solos for Kids Blue Series book. Okay, it says to play this one with a snake-like feel, which makes sense because it's called the serpent. Now what you're going to want to do with your left hand is you're going to be smooth on your first note. See that tiny little slur from your 5 to your 1 finger? That means we're going to play smooth, and then the staccato dots on those G's on your 1 notes, that means staccato bouncy. So we're going to go smooth, bounce, bounce, bounce. Alright, so the pattern is smooth, bounce, 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 smooth, bounce, smooth, bounce, smooth, bounce, 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 smooth, bounce, smooth, bounce. And that's all the left hand does all the way through until the very end of the song. So smooth, bounce, 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 smooth, bounce, smooth, bounce. And that's C, G, 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 C, G, C, G, C, G, 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 C, G, C, G. 5, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1. Over and over. That's all the left hand does. Okay, now the first time you play this, you may want to play it with your hands separate first, get the hang of that left hand pattern, and then play the right hand all by itself. And that's how I'm going to play it right now, with just the right hand. So we were in C major position, and the right hand has a flat on the E, which is your 3 fingers. So your 3 finger is going to be playing not the white key E, but the E flat, right there, the black key. Okay, so it's going to come in with 2, 3, 4, half note, 2, 3, 4, tie 2, half note, half note, half note, half note, 2, 3, 4, tie 2. Now here comes a repeat. We're going to go hear the, and then you go right back up to that second line where there's more repeat dots, and the words, the lyrics say hear the sound. It's right underneath flute. It's the same note. That's where we're going to. Alright, so hear the sound. 2, 3, 4, half note, 2, 3, 4, tie 2, E flat G, D, E flat C. Now the second time through, we're going to go half note, miss 2, 3, 4, and then we skip to the second ending where it ties for 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, tie 2. Then we're going to move up and put your pinky on high C and stretch your thumb for the E flat. So that's a little bit further than how we're normally in a 5 finger position. We're going to stretch it out for the E flat, and we're going to play it just like this at the same time, high C and E flat, and that's a half note. So 1, 2. Okay, now I'm going to play it all the way through with both hands. I'm going to use the repeat and everything so you can hear exactly how it goes. Make sure at the end that you remember to move your right hand up to high C. I'm going to do that bottom line with the second ending one more time. And that's the serpent.